Have you ever struggled to open a car door during an emergency? If you've ever dealt with hidden car door handles, you know the frustration. Before diving in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button for more engaging content. Modern electric cars often feature sleek retractable door handles. They look futuristic and reduce drag slightly, similar. But what happens when style meets safety concerns? Chinese regulators are stepping in to address this exact issue. A proposed regulation might ban these fully retractable door handles in vehicles. Automakers will have until July 2027 to comply, which the rule focuses on safety, ensuring doors can always be opened, even during power failures. Not all handles are affected to similar semi-retractable and traditional designs remain acceptable if they include a mechanical backup. And this ensures functionality in emergencies. Safety is clearly the priority here. Manufacturers argue these handles reduce drag, saving minimal energy. However, studies suggest the actual benefit is negligible. What's worse, these systems add extra weight and complexity, making them less reliable and contact ways. Hidden handles have a reputation for being expensive and prone to failure. Reports show they break down 8 times more often than mechanical ones. For one major EV brand, they account for 12% of all repairs. Safety tests reveal alarming results. Cars with electronic handles passed side impact crash tests only 67% of the time. Some handles rate with a 98% success rate. But the difference is staggering. Real life incidents highlight the risks. In 2024, freezing temperatures trapped occupants in Changchun when door motors froze file. And then follow up together for a single passengers here with FDA. A heavy rains in Guangdong caused short circuits, leaving passengers no choice but to break windows. Data from China's NAIs shows a 47% rise in accidents linked to faulty handles. A shocking 82% involved hidden designs. Reports of children's fingers getting pinched by automated handles also surged by 132%. Industry leaders like Wei Jinjian of Great Wall Motor criticize these handles, and he calls them heavy, noisy, and unreliable. In terms, his stance reflects growing skepticism about prioritizing aesthetics over practicality. Some brands strike a balance. Volkswagen and FAW Audi use semi-retractable handles that combine style with safety. Audi's design even includes a red pull cord for emergencies, ensuring responders can open doors easily. The debate extends beyond China. Globally, regulators question debatable design trends in modern cars. And that's touchscreens replacing physical buttons for essential controls are under scrutiny too. Starting in 2026, Euro NCAP will downgrade vehicles lacking tangible controls for turn signals and wipers. Signals, regulatory bodies worldwide agree. Safety must come before sleek design. While hidden handles may look cool, their risks outweigh their benefits. As one critic joked, what's the point of a handle if it won't help you escape a sinking car? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.